Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're revealing the ultimate guide to online marketing with top strategies for success in 2024. Let's dive in. Effective online marketing is essential for growing your business. Here are the top strategies you need to succeed. Search engine optimization, SEO. Boost your website's visibility on search engines with effective SEO tactics. Focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, and quality backlinks. Content marketing. Create valuable content that attracts and engages your audience. Regularly publish blog posts, videos, and infographics that address your audience's needs. Social media marketing. Leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. Consistent posting and engaging with your followers are key. Email marketing. Build and nurture relationships with your audience through targeted email campaigns. For more detailed steps on each strategy, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.